Well, it's March 17th, 2013. I'm out in a creek. First time I'd ever been in this creek, just happened to be in the area. Thought I'd stop and take a look. It's not looking real good. I'm actually in a tributary of the creek, but I see something down here. I think I know what it is. It's busted. I believe that's a pipe stem. First piece of a pipe of any kind I've ever found. I think they'd call that a trade pipe, made out of some kind of ceramic. I'm not sure if that's considered historic or a few hundred years old or more. I don't know. If anybody knows anything, let me know. It's a pretty cool find, though. I'd like to find the other end. Alright, keep walking for a little bit.